In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow form submissions without email addresses to create contacts in HubSpot. By default, HubSpot requires an email address to create a new contact, but in certain situations, like in-person registrations, internal submissions, or custom workflows, you may want to allow contacts to be created even if an email address isn't provided. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this setting and how to enable it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future HubSpot tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, look to the top navigation bar and find the gear icon in the upper right corner. This is your settings area. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your account settings. Now that you're in settings, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. HubSpot organizes most configuration options here, so this is where we'll navigate to adjust contact settings. In the left sidebar, click on Objects to expand the drop-down menu. From the list of objects, select Contacts. Once Contacts expands, click on Setup. This will take you to the configuration page specifically for contact-related settings. On the Contact Setup page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Create and Associate Contacts. This area controls how new contacts are generated in your HubSpot account and how they're linked to other records like companies or deals. Keep scrolling carefully until you see the specific option we're looking for. You should now see a toggle labeled Allow Forms to Create Contacts Without Email Addresses. By default, this setting is turned off, which means HubSpot requires an email field to generate a new contact from a form submission. If you want to change this behavior, simply click the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, HubSpot will allow form submissions to create contact records even if the email address field is blank. After turning the toggle on, the setting typically saves automatically. However, it's always a good idea to double-check that the toggle remains enabled before leaving the page. Once this is active, any HubSpot form that does not require the email field can now create a contact record without it. Now, a quick but important note. Allowing contacts to be created without email addresses can be useful in specific scenarios, but it may impact your reporting, automation, and email marketing workflows. Since HubSpot uses email as a primary unique identifier for contacts, you could end up with duplicate records more easily if you're not careful. So before enabling this in a live environment, make sure it aligns with your data management strategy and internal processes. And that's it. That's how you allow form submissions without email addresses to create contacts in HubSpot. As you can see, it only takes a few steps inside your settings, but it can significantly change how your CRM collects and stores contact data. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides, CRM tips, and marketing automation walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.